What's up, everybody? It's Peter, welcome to the channel. And today I'm on my Monster BTG, enjoying a nice weather with my son. Peter, he's also on his Vesc. And in this video, I was gonna talk about my new tire on this Monster. Pretty much my previous tire, Burris BTG, wore out, and I was about to buy a new one. First, I thought I was gonna get same Burris, but then I decided, well, let's try something else, something different this time. And I did get Thundercat from the Floatwheel. And to be honest, I'm glad I did. This tire is really awesome. The way it looks, it's pretty much a jet dropper. The tread, it really looks like all-season or winter tire for car tread. Not quite there, but the tread looks really awesome, really aggressive. And this tire probably the first tire in my possession which I'm not gonna modify it, because it feels so awesome. It's so flexible. It's curvy. It's more curvy than Burris BTG. Well, Burris BTG it was designed strictly for go-kart. This tire from ground up was designed for Onewheel. And like I said, right now I'm on the same tire pressure, as I used to be on Burris BTG, 17.5, 18.5 or so. And it feels really awesome. It feels more curvy than Burris, even after when I modify it, and more, I should call flexible, more comfortable to ride it. It feels really awesome. I'm glad I bought. And like I said, let me show you a tread. Okay, Peter, slow down a little bit. Right there, guys. Look at tread. That thing, it's a monster. And plus, like I said, I don't have to do any modification because it's got so many cuts already. And this tire, like I said, right now it's summer, it feels really awesome. But during the winter time, okay, Peter, yes. During the winter time, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you're ready. I'm pretty sure it will feel it's gonna feel really grippy on the snow. And I was gonna enjoy it not less than I did my Burris. Well, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. It's kind of short, but like I said, I'm happy. I'm enjoying this tire. It's really comfortable, a really good tire, no regrets. I do recommend it. Like I said, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you, guys.